structures and functions. First, cell is a structural and functional unit of life. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He saw a Koch cell under a light microscope, and then Annenberg Leeuwenhoek was the first to see living cells under microscope. Cell theory. In 1838, Matthias Canadian discovered that plants are made from cells, and later that year, another person named Theodore Schwann discovered that animals are also made from cells. In 1855, Rudolf Virchow discovered that cells are formed by the pre-existing cells. The organisms are of two types, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organism contains one cell, and multicellular organism contains more than one cell. Unicellular organisms have simple body formation, and multicellular organisms have complex body organization. Cell differentiation is not present in unicellular organism. Cell differentiation is present in multicellular organism. Examples for unicellular organisms are amoeba. Examples for multicellular organisms are human beings, plants, and animals. The types of microscopes are light microscope, macro microscope, electron microscope. Light microscopes have a simple glass lens and source of light. They are used in exhibitions. Compound microscopes magnify 1000 to 1500 times. They are used in science laboratories. Electron microscope use electromagnets instead of glass lenses and beam of electrons instead of light. They magnify 1 lakh to 5 lakh times. Cell shape differs from every cell. Some are spherical, spindle, elongated, branched, and oval shaped, while some cells like amoeba and white blood cells change their shape for locomotion. Cell size also differs from each cell. Average cell diameter of cell is 0.1 mm, and bacteria is the smallest unicellular organism. It measures 0.1 to 0.5 mm. The smallest cell is Mycoplasma gallisepticum, and it measures 0.2 to 0.3 micrometer, and the largest cell is ostrich egg, which measures from 170 mm to 130 mm. Parts of cell, they are plant cell and animal cell. Cell membrane, function of cell membrane is to regulate the substance going in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, it is a fluid present inside the cell. It plays a role in shape of the cell, and it also protects the cell. The cell organelles are present in cytoplasm. The chemical processes are also done in the cytoplasm. Cell wall, it gives shape and protects the cell. It is present only in plant cells. Nucleus controls the actions in the cell. It is known as the brain of the cell. It contains nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromosomes. Chromosomes contains genes in them. Protoplasm of two types: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells means cells that lack a true nucleus and nuclear membrane. They are organisms that have prokaryotic cells are known as prokaryotes. Example, Mycoplasma. Eukaryotic cells contains a true nucleus and nuclear membrane. They are known as eukaryotes. For example, bacteria and human beings. Cell organelles, the small organ-like structures present in the cytoplasm are known as cell organelles. Mitochondria, it plays an important role in manufacturing ATP, which is the energy current of the cell. Ribosomes, they read the message of RNA and convert that genetic code into long chain of amino acids that form to form proteins. Plastids are responsible for the cultivation of the cell. They are also manufacture and store the food. Vacuoles, they store necessary substances and also waste substances. Golgi bodies carry out the processing of proteins, carbohydrates, and then they also create lysosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum are necessary for the synthesis of lipids and fat molecules. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the protein synthesis. Centrosomes and centrioles. Centrioles are microtubule rings. Centrosomes arrange organize the microtubule and separate the chromatids for cell division. Lysosomes break down the weak damaged part of cell and bone of cells. If a cell is damaged beyond repair, it also carries out cell destruction, which is known as apoptosis. Cell division. Plant cells and animal cells. Plant cells have cell wall. Animal cells do not lack a cell wall. The nucleus in plant cell is present in the corner. The nucleus in animal cell is present in the center. The animal cells lack plastids, and plants have plastids, and plant cells lack Golgi bodies. Animal cells have Golgi bodies. Leosomes are rare in plant cells, and leosomes are present in animal cells. Cell division is the process by which parent cell divides into two daughter cells. There are two types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is discovered by Walter Fleming. Meiosis is discovered by Oscar Hartwig. Mitosis results in two daughter cells. Meiosis results in four daughter cells. Mitosis contains one nuclear division. Meiosis contains two nuclear divisions. Mitosis happens in every cell except reproductive cells. Meiosis happens only in reproductive cells. The mother cell is diploid or haploid in mitosis, and in meiosis the mother cell is only diploid. Thank you, Jai.